This slide gives us an overall flowchart of the cost drivers and levers involved in calculating cost. We will discuss each separately in the upcoming slides. As shown, cost is not just dependent on building, but also other factors, such as quality, pre- and post-processing. Talking specifically about building costs, we have three drivers: material, system, and labor. The material costs, as shown in the flow chart, is explaining what the cost levers are and how it is distributed and calculated. So far, we have an understanding of system and material costs. We can now take an example of a hip cup and see how we can optimize application-specific parameters. There is a trade-off between quality and productivity, so we as consultants create a win-win scenario for our customers. We will take the example of the hip cup to explain quality and productivity. Making hip cups ready for series production. In order to ensure quality for series production of hip cups, certain requirements are to be taken into account. The hip cup requires highest mechanical properties, cutting allowance to be removed from build plate, machining offset to allow polishing of inside of the hip cup, powder removal from inside of the hip cups.
Thanks for watching this video about how to create a business case for additive manufacturing. If you liked it, please click the button and subscribe to our channel. For more information about training and education content from the Additive Minds Academy, please check the link in the description below. And as always, we love to hear your feedback in the comments.